Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to create a brand new Epic Games account on your PC. First, open your web browser and go to epicsgame.com. Once the page loads, look at the top right corner and click on sign in. Don't worry, even though we don't have an account yet, this is where we will start. After that, enter your email or you can tap create an account if you don't have. Enter your date of birth, then click on continue. Now enter your email address. After that, click on continue. Now you will see the account creation form. Here is what you need to do. First, type your first name and the last name. Select your country from the drop down list. Enter your password and add a display name. This is the name your friend will see in the games like Fortnite. Make sure it's something unique. Finally, check the box to agree to Epic terms of services. Once everything is filled out, click continue. Now open your email inbox. Epic will send you verification email. Click the verify email button inside that email. After that, go back to Epic website and your account will be active. From here, you can download to Epic Games Launcher by clicking download at the top right of the website. And that's it. It's super easy. Go to epicgames.com, click sign up, fill out the form, verify your email, and you have got your Epic Games account. That's all for today's video, guys. I hope you guys like this video. If you found this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.